Hello everybody, this is part 2 to the last video, which if you haven't seen, I would watch that first before this one. So, what's changed since the last time is I wasn't happy with the inside of this coil, because no epoxy resin had got on it. So, I waited for more to come in the post. I've now coated it a bit, as you can see it's shiny in it. And I also bought some soda, Sugar soda, all the joints on here. So, this time I'm going to show you the magnetic field of this coil with a magnet, but I'm going to use the same magnet as I used last time. So as you see here, this here, it's got north-south there, and there's north-south. So I've also got this bit of wood that I had last time as well. No, it's about in line with where it was attracted to it last time, isn't it? So I'm going to go back here a little bit. See, I'll put it on there. See, from there it doesn't really do anything, does it? I mean, I get it to spin a little bit if I put it at a different angle. So it's spun like twice, 3 times. Yeah, but if I do it again, probably on a post motor we'll actually get it to spin. But even there, it's not really doing anything. Yeah, I'll put this on there. Can't really, yeah. Put it right there, not doing it. So I'll lift it up there. That's even a bit higher there, isn't it? It's not really doing anything, is it? How about if I put it in there? Yeah. Put that down a little bit. Can't quite see it from there, can you? Well, I've now put it in the hole, yeah, where you'd expect it to be stronger. It's spun quite a few times, hasn't it? So close it does do something, but I wouldn't say it's spinning like that many times really. Like I say, with this here, all the fields are being repulsed out of the coil, whereas with the other one, the way you normally wind it up and down, the magnet field is actually stuck inside of the coil, or 50% of it is, you know, as this shows here. So anyway, I'll change this over for a magnet which I'm going to be using, not on this coil, but on another, on the next coil. So this here is a much bigger magnet in it, as you can see. I'll show it anyway just in case. See, that's just for one post, so see how many times that span? So that's there, like, I better move this. So last time, where the magnet has been attracted to the actual magnet and like flying off, was there, wasn't it? So if I hold it here, what happens? And I'll put it back in there. Is it there? It's about there, isn't it? It's not doing anything. The magnet's the wrong way, that's why. But anyways, I'll turn it this way. It'll make it spin from there, yeah? So I'm up here now. The magnet's not really over it, that's the problem. But you can get it to spin from there, whereas we don't want it to do it. If I was to hold it that way. It would make it spin, wouldn't it? So anyway, what about if I put it inside? So it's now in... I'll turn it down here. You can't really see it, can you? Yeah, move that down a bit. Alright, see, now you can see the magnet, yeah? What's happening now? See, that's much stronger. The posting, isn't it? Now, why don't you guys with the coils that are around a certain way, why don't you see how far away it actually attracts to the mirror? don't really. But I was going to see how this does as a generator, but I'm not going to bother, because really I wound it to be a fucking motor. But afterwards I'm going to wind something that looks very similar, that's going to be a generator. I mean, all these wires are parallel. If I have 2 coils, can only produce 9 amps maximum. So I'm going to wind one that can handle like 14 amps maximum, and then use that only as a generator. Because even if it don't do mains output, it would definitely power my hydrogen generator, which needs high amps. And I can run it with, I've got this here, which is, it's basically a DC motor, high torque DC motor. There's that with like a drill. I didn't get out of a drill, I bought it online, eBay. But as you can see, it does between 6 and 18 volts. So I can test it at different speeds to see how much I can generate. I'm also going to wind a coil as well later that can handle 100 amps, and I'm going to see what that does. It might be like an EMP glass, or no, I don't know. Alright, well, I'll see you later. Bye.